Hi guys, I'm on again, Gentle Shadow, in Gentle Shadow Video Tech, or channel by Gentle Shadow Video Tech. I'm going to show you guys, or you watching now, how to use Google keyboard, also known as Gboard. In advance, I will also show you guys 5 simple steps to make your Google keypad more convenient and beautiful. If you have watched Gboard secret, is still the same thing I mentioned. There is still the same thing, just to make it more attractive in how to set up 5 secret settings on Gboard. 5 secret settings on Gboard, or 5 secret settings on Google keyboard. That's still the same thing. Before we dive in, subscribe and click on the bell icon. First, I will show you how to use Gboard. I will show you how to use Google keypad. It's still the same thing I'm talking about. Don't get confused. I will show you how to use Gboard because you must know the primary before I will show you how to advance. I will show you the secret settings. So watch now and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on that subscription. To know how to use this keyboard, first download the application and install it. If you have already installed it, if you already have it, let's continue. Now click on any search box. The current keypad you are using will pop up. Now press the shift button on your keyboard. The change keyboard section will pop up. Now click on the Gboard. And it's done. It is ready to be used now. The Gboard is set up now. Now, in order to advance your knowledge by revealing you the 5 secret features through the secret setting, don't be confused. I'm still on the same line. The first one is theme. How can I put theme on my Gboard? Here is how. First, press to show up the keyboard. Second, click on the left facing arrow. Third, click on three dot line. Fourth, click on the theme. It will bring you to the theme page. Click on the plus icon. Select the picture you want to use. Fifth, pitch the picture to increase the height or reduce it by using your 2 hands, or either 1 hand or your 2 whole hands. Now drag to move it to the position you want it to be. Then click the next icon. Click next. Now adjust the brightness to your desired form, and it is done. And click done. It is done and ready to be applied. The second secret is number row. How to set up number row? First, click on the left facing arrow. Second, click on the 3 dot. Third, click on settings. Fourth, click on preference. Fifth, click on number row, and it is done. It will appear at the alphabet section of the keypad. It will appear at the alphabet section of the keypad, on top of the alphabet section of the keypad. The third secret is floating. How to set up floating? First, click on the left facing arrow. Second, click on the 3 dots, or you can see it on the help line top. click on it, and it's done. The third one is you can undo it or remove it by clicking on the arrow face again and click on it again. Fourth secret is one-handed. This secret is used if you have one hand or broken side screen. How to use it? First, click on the left facing arrow. Second, click on the three dot icon. Third, click on one-handed, and it's done. This is helpful because you can move your screen, you can move the keypad sideways or left or right side. Left or right side, you can move it left or right side. This is a secret and a helpful feature. You can undo it by clicking on the different facing arrow, and it's done. Fifth secret is feature icon. Feature icon is where you can see any secret features of Gboard, or where you can find the secret features of Gboard. How to use it, how to see it, not how to see it. How to see this secret icon. First, click on the left facing arrow. Second, click on the three dots icon. You are there. That's it. You are there. Now you can also add up anyone of your choice to the top section of the board by dragging it. Most of all, keep your keyboard update. Keep your keyboard up to date. Update your keyboard in order to see new features in your Gboard. Update your Gboard to see new features in your Gboard. Don't skip out without subscribing and clicking on the bell icon. And if you find this video helpful to you, don't forget to click on the bell icon and subscribe. Click on the bell icon and subscribe to receive notification as soon as my unlimited video in a gentle step is launched.